Link types will allow you to make the meaning of the relationships between thoughts more explicit. A basic link provides a connection and spatial relationship, but sometimes you want to add more definition between things. You can add link labels to accomplish this, but sometimes you have the same relationships many times in your brain. By using link types, you can make all those relationships easier to set up and keep them visually consistent. I'm currently on a thought in my brain for Susan Villa. As you can see, Susan is my client and the owner of the Villa house. She's also married to Martin, works at HSBC, and was introduced to me by my friend and architect, Sharon Chan. This is all valuable information and easily displayed in my brain with the help of link types. On the Villa House thought, I also have two people linked as jump thoughts to my project. This is a great example of when to use link types. I can define what their role or relationship is to the project. In this case, I can see that they're both engineers, but the link type will define their responsibilities. Sid is my architectural historian, and I've hired Debbie as my site manager. So I'll click on the link between the two thoughts. This highlights the link and grays out the surrounding area to bring attention to the current action in my brain. With the link highlighted, I can add notes and attachments to be associated with just the link between these two thoughts. I'll click on the link again to open its properties. From here, I can quickly add a label, change the color, or even the thickness of this link. But in this case, I want to add a link type, so I can quickly assign this link type to other links in the future, and also find these link types in my brain reports. So I'll click on Untyped and select New Type. My new type will be called Site Manager. Looks good, but my Site Manager links are really important and I want them to stand out. I'll double-click the link again to return to the properties. I could click here to change the color on this individual link, but I want a universal color setting for all Site Manager link types. I'll click on the pencil next to Site Manager and specify that Site Manager link types will always be green. Now it's time to set up some new link types and apply them all to other links throughout my brain. So I've spent some time setting up some additional link types in my brain. I can now open my brain reports to view all thoughts that are connected via a Site Manager link type. Link types are another feature that can add greater context and ease of use to your digital brain.